July 2019. Hiking Steam. Elizabeth. The first trip of the day was hiking, which I've been told will give a surprise I had never seen before. The rocks rolled down just like my bird life was without any birds. Without actual birds. Some humongous steps showed up, but because of my long legs, it showed no trouble at all. How are my birds now? No at all. You center your life around birds. It's always bird, bird, bird. And can you balance other relationships in your life as well? Birds are life. A strange smell occurred, consisted of eggs, cottage cheese, and human fart. As I stepped closer, it intensified. A rainbow in a pond then came into my sight. Where the heck am I? This is called a geyser, my dad stated. What kind of a name is that? It's kind of cool. The first ones we saw had smoke-like fumes slowly yet quickly erupting from the pool, giving me a soothing white noise. All throughout my life, I had been known to be an early bird, so it would be unlikely for me to get tired at 11 in the morning. To burst one's bubble, though, white noise made me sleepy. We hiked to the other side of the park, leaving me already hungry and tired, but it was an early time, at 4:30 in the afternoon to be exact. I went to the cafe next to where the Old Faithful, the name of the famous geyser, stood, and ate ravioli there, letting the smell of cheese and refreshment enter my nose. However, after I finished and went to look at Old Faithful, the smell quickly deteriorated. Thank God my birds weren't here. I made it just in time before it erupted. In the beginning, the smoke grew so tall it probably needed almost 30 me's, and during its growth, a fountain of it appeared. I had learned that the water beneath was extremely high, though I saw a few hats in there with burnt holes already, probably due to the slight wind. Will the wind cause the water to get to me? I'm too young to die. The wind died down, pacifying my state of mind, and so did the geyser. Bluey. Hey guys, do you want to play a game? I asked. Mango and Claire gladly agreed. Let's see who can chirp the loudest. I said Mango, getting ready to do so, but I couldn't ensure my tactic. I'll go first because I know I'm going to win. Chirp! Mango's eyes grew, but reluctantly tried to chirp louder. Chirp! He looked at it in embarrassment, since his voice cracked. I wasn't the mean type, so I only laughed evilly internally. Well, I'm a cockatiel, meaning I can win this easily, Pear chimed in. What does being a different species of birds have to do with voice strength? Chirp! What the? He almost deafened me. Chirp! 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 Okay, we get it. Stop ramming in our faces now, Bear Bear. He raised his imaginary eyebrows. Bear Bear? Is that my new nickname now? Obviously, it's uniquely for you. And because not only are you cute, but you're also loud, I exclaimed, but quickly shut my mouth. No, did you seriously have to admit he's cute? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. He doesn't know if it's a romantic love or if it's because birds are cute in a puppy dog way. I had this huge crush on him, at the very least. But at the very least, I should have felt proud of me for tying into his sentence so smoothly. I mean, who couldn't like him? His eyes sparkled like the stars in the night sky. His crispy looked so handsome, and his body structure was very similar to mine. He blushed, or it could be the fact that he had a permanent makeup. Anyway, let's start a party. I changed the subject. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. What is going on here? Ashlyn barged in after going on her phone. Silence began. I initiated this chirping sequence. Me, Mango, Pear. This helped me and hopefully Pear to carry our minds away from grieving for a little while. Pear. Hey guys, do you wanna all play a game? Bluey asked. Mango, I concurred, and how hard could it be to beat him at it anyway? Let's see who can chirp the loudest. I'll go first because I know I'm going to win. Chirp! That's quite loud, but not loud enough to fully impress the judge. Mango's eyes grew, but reluctantly tried to chirp out. Chirp! Don't worry, Mango. The conversation we just had probably had an effect on you anyway. I responded to his reaction. Well, I'm a cockatiel, meaning I can win this easily. No, you can do this, Pear. I gathered all my strength from my insides to produce the most thrilling yet terrifying sound. Chirp, chirp! Chirp, chirp! Okay, we get it. Stop rubbing in our faces now, Bear Bear. I have to show off my skills, but wait, Bear Bear? Bear Bear? Is that my new nickname now? Obviously, it's made uniquely for you because not only are you cute, but you're also loud. I thought about it, and it seemed like I loved his personality. Although he was being quite competitive and had jealousy issues, it didn't bother me. I see you like him, Mango smirked. No, I stammered, hoping he wouldn't get on to me as he might have liked him as well. Yes? Okay, fine. Yes, I do. Just promise me that this isn't the end of our friendship? Of course it isn't the end. I love you and Bluey as best friends, and I'm happy for you. It's only the beginning. I did like Bluey as a crush, but I'll stop now to ensure that there's no awkwardness. In any case, you do live in the same house as him at Elizabeth's house, while I rarely do. It would make sense for you two to be together. I nodded. Anyway, let's start a party, Bluey suddenly started. Mango acted like my mentor, someone I never really had growing up, and he showed me the way to true and healthy friendships. He was the sun in my world, but Bluey brought him in. I knew Elizabeth said I was her son, but I could have my own.